What does dazzling color mean? Dazzling color means a very bright, shining, and eye-catching color that attracts immediate attention. In simple words, dazzling color is a color that looks extremely bright and impressive. When something has a dazzling color, it often appears glowing, sparkling, or very vibrant. Dazzling colors can sometimes be so bright that they almost hurt the eyes. The word dazzling comes from the word dazzle, which means to impress someone greatly or to temporarily blind someone with very bright light. For example, a dress with a dazzling red color may stand out in a crowd. Fireworks often create dazzling colors in the sky. Neon lights and shiny decorations are also described as dazzling. Dazzling colors are commonly used in fashion, advertising, art, and design because they attract attention quickly. In nature, flowers, birds, and sunsets can display dazzling colors. For example, she wore a dazzling blue dress. The stage was decorated with dazzling lights. The sunset had dazzling shades of orange and pink. Dazzling colors usually express beauty, excitement, and energy. However, if something is too bright, it may feel overwhelming. In simple terms, dazzling color means a very bright and stunning color that catches the eye. Easy way to remember. Dazzling color means super bright and beautiful color.